How to fix description not showing on YouTube app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'll show you how can you fix description not showing on YouTube app. If you're having issue with the description, or if you're unable to read the description, or it's not loading up, then you could try the steps in order to fix it. So now before that, let's understand why this sort of issue occurs. Or it might be the page that did not load correctly, and is to check your internet connection. So this might be one of the reason why you're unable to look into your description as well. So what you could do is, in order to fix it, so you could try reloading the page. So for that, you want to completely close the application first of all, and after which you want to refresh the YouTube application. So for that, you want to go ahead and long press the YouTube application, go to the app info button, make sure to go to storage and cache and click on clear cache as well as storage, which should be able to fix it. So, and after which, what you also want to do is you want to go ahead and disable it for a while, and after that you want to enable it. That can also be helpful. And once you're on this page, you want to go to app details and check for an update. Sometimes outdated version can also lead to this sort of issue, so make sure to update your application to the latest version as well. Now you could also go ahead and check your internet connection, and these are some of the ways to fix your description not showing up on your YouTube app. Or else you could also go ahead and contact the customer care through the browser, and you should let them know. So if you want to contact the YouTube support, you just type in YouTube support on the browser. Here you want to go ahead and type in your queries, and they should be able to look into your matter. So these are some of the ways to fix your description not showing on YouTube app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.